Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to find the square root of a number. This concept really comes handy in chapters like surface areas where we'll be expected to find the answer in decimals from a square root value. For example, let us take 156.25 and we'll try to find the square root of this number. So the first thing is we should write this number, and from the decimal we have to go this way. So to the left hand side we'll come from this direction, and in the right hand side we'll go towards the right side direction, and we will pair the numbers uh, like this. For example, here as we can see, from the decimal we pair these two numbers. Since one doesn't have a pair, we introduce a 0, and towards the right we pair these two. So when we pair, we go from this direction like this, uh, to the left side from the decimal and to the right side, and we pair them. If it doesn't have, for example, the same number had a 3, then we would put a 0 and pair it with the 3. So this is how we do. Coming back to the question 156.25, after we have paired, what we do is basically we take the first pair, that is 0, 1, and we have to find a number that is equal to or less than this number, but it has to be a perfect square. For example, 1 times 1, or 2 times 4, likewise. Here 1 times works, so we write 1 and then they get subtracted, which means 0, and then we bring this 56 as a pair. So in usual division we bring one number at a time, but here we bring the pair at a time. And now what we do is, this number, whatever is there in the quotient, that we have to double it. So when we double, you get 2. Now we have to try 21 times 1, 21 into 1, or 22 into 2, 23 into 3, likewise. So here 22 into 2 works. We'll be getting 44, and the difference will be 12. Now when we bring this pair 25, we're also bringing a pair that is after the decimal, so we have to put a decimal at the top, and then we have to double whatever is there in the quotient. The same procedure will follow. So when we double, we get 24. Now we have to try 241 times 1, 241, 2 into 2, 243 into 3, likewise. So now when we try 245 times 5, we will get 1225. Now whatever is there in the quotient, that is the root value of this number, which is 12.5. So there are certain things that we need to remember. I would like to repeat, from the decimal we should go to the left side and the right side when we pair, and so this is how we get. There are certain times when we would not get a remainder as 0, for which we can stop with 2 decimal points. Thank you.